Here's how to change your spark plugs on your 2015 Toyota Camry. When you pop the hood, you want to get rid of this hood cover. It's latched in 3 locations, so grab it, pull up like this, and then pull up over here. There we go. And then set it aside. Now, I have a V4, so I have 4 of these spark plug heads. You need a 10mm socket and a wrench. To remove your spark plug, it's easier if you target this head first, and then you unplug with 2 hands this electrical wire. There we go. There's your spark plug, and it's going to be kind of hard to remove if it's torqued correctly. Now you need a 5/8 spark plug torquer. There's a little rubber insert to help pull out the spark plug. For this, I'd recommend an 18-inch breaker bar. Here's the old spark plug. These are the OEM spark plugs, model number 3417. It cost me about 13 bucks each, and I bought a pack of 4 of them. It should come gaps to 1.1mm. Okay, this is important. When you're reattaching this, there's a very real chance that this guy gets stuck inside of your engine when you pull it out, like that. And you don't want that to happen. Let the spark plug sit loosely on top of your tool piece. Don't let it create a rubber seal down here. Make sure that you're going straight down so you don't jump any threads. You should be able to test after you're done hand tightening and make sure that this piece comes out. Now tighten the rest of the way with your wrench, but don't press too hard here, otherwise it'll get stuck. The torque spec is 14 Nm, but I just have this tiny wrench here, and I'll just do half a turn or a quarter turn. Now put the plastic piece back on top, and don't forget to screw it back in place. Now you repeat for all 4 heads, and don't forget to reattach the wires. Replace it every 120K, and you're good to go. Let me know if that helps. Follow for more, or subscribe for more if you're watching this on YouTube.